Hi guys, we are continuing with our news to you on the ocean cleanup, and we are starting on page 5. Just a little refresher, we talked about the fact that there is a man from the Netherlands called Boy and Slat who created a group called the Ocean Cleanup, and they make inventions that try and help get some trash that is out of the rivers and the oceans and everything, because there's a lot of trash out there, and it's pretty harmful to all of the animals that are in the river and the ocean. Okay, so, and we also talked about the fact that June 8th is World Ocean Cleanup Day. So we are going to start on page 5. So the new invention looks like a boat. So in the last few pages, we already circled the word new invention. So we're going to circle looks and boat. The invention floats on a river. So it means that it'll stay like this on the water instead of sinking down. So we've already circled invention and river. So now we're going to circle the word floats. The invention uses energy from the sun. So we have invention. And now we need to circle the word uses energy. Oh, and we've already circled the word from, and then circle sun. So it sounds like it might be solar powered. So when the sun hits it, it collects that power of that sunlight, and it'll use that to collect the trash however it does. So the energy moves a conveyor belt on the invention. So we've already circled energy and invention. So we're going to circle moves and conveyor belt. The conveyor belt scoops trash out of the river. So we're going to circle conveyor belt. And then we've already circled trash and river. So we're going to circle those again. And then we're going to circle scoops and out. Okay, and then we're going to come down to page 6. So the trash goes up the conveyor belt. So we're going to circle trash and conveyor belt, and then we're going to circle goes up. The trash goes into dumpsters inside the invention. So we're going to circle trash and invention, since we've already circled those words before, and we're going to circle goes into, inside, and dumpsters. And dumpsters, I mean, if you guys don't know, they're just big trash cans. Pretty much, they can hold a lot of trash. So the invention has a computer. So we're going to circle invention, since we've already circled that word, and then we're going to circle has and computer. Workers get a message when the dumpsters are full. So we've already circled dumpsters, so we're going to circle that again. We're going to circle the word workers, because those are the people that are going to help take care of this machine. Get, message, when, and full. So workers empty the dumpsters and sort the trash. So we've already circled dumpsters, workers, and trash. So then we're going to circle empty and sort. So they sort it out because, you know, there's things that might be compostable, so they can break down really easily. There might be things that are recyclable, like plastics. There might be stuff that's actually real trash that it might take way too long to break down. So it says to click here to see how it works. Let's see if it'll let me click that link. All right, well, it is not letting me click on it. So you guys can try on your computer, or I will see on our next video if I can get it going and I can start off our video with that, okay? So we're gonna come down to page 7. So inventions are in 4 rivers now. So we've already circled inventions and rivers, so we're going to circle that. And remember, we always circle our numbers, so we're going to circle 4. And now, because we're talking about this current time, we're not talking about way back when in like the past, and we're not talking about that they plan to have them in the future. They currently have 4 inventions out in rivers. So the rivers are in Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, and the Dominican Republic. So we've already circled rivers, so we'll circle that again. And then we need to circle Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, and the Dominican Republic. So the ocean cleanup has a goal. So we're going to circle ocean cleanup again because we've already circled that before. And has, we need to circle goal. They want to put inventions into 1,000 rivers. That's a pretty good goal. So we need to circle want and put in inventions and rivers, because I'm pretty sure those into, because those are all the words we've already circled. And we need to also circle 1,000 and they. So we're going to do page 8, and then that's where I'm going to stop this video, and then I'm going to try and see if I can get the way that invention works, that video, up for our next video that you guys see, okay? So the 1,000 rivers are around the world. So far we've already circled 1,000 rivers, and I think we've already actually circled around the world. Sorry for that really bad circle, but you guys get what I did. These rivers are full of trash. So far we've already circled rivers, full, and trash, and I want us to circle these. So the ocean cleanup wants to collect the trash. So we're going to circle the ocean cleanup. Wants, trash, and collect. They want to stop the trash from flowing into oceans. So far we've already circled they want trash into and oceans. And so we're going to circle stop and flowing. Then people can celebrate cleaner oceans. So far we've already circled people, celebrate, and oceans. And we're going to circle then and cleaner. All right, guys, we powered through that. You did awesome. And I hope to start the next video with a little video showing how the invention works in the rivers. See you later, guys.